got the hay trailer, one of them. We got to make sure these tires are all aired up. Then we need to sand the rails. They have a little rust on them, and sometimes they'll cut the net wrap. And then we'll go get the other trailer and do the same thing. And yes, that was on the first try. All right, let's repeat again. So this is wire mesh, and this is what we use to take off the surface rust. It's super easy. All you gotta do, just run down and knock it off real fast. And the reason we do this is just because after winter, after they've been sitting for a while, they build that little bit of surface rust on them. And if you don't do it, it kind of rips up your first bales you kind of put up on here, and then you have a load of ripped bales, and then it just makes your bales not rip. And all right, so we're here. They're raking it up right now, and we're gonna bale it. It's kind of sprinkling right now, so that's why we're gonna bale it wet, and then we're gonna wrap it. So Well, we got it all wrapped just in time. It's about to rain, so it's got a good chance tonight for rain, and we need it. We got it off in time. But as you saw on that machine, it wraps the hay and puts it in these long white tubes, and it basically turns it into silage, which is fermented hay or corn, but in this instant it's hay, and then this winter we'll feed it and the cows love it. It's kind of like candy to them. They love it.